Galata Gumbal, well, can anybody disagree as to how integral part of our work life it has become? I guess CG testing and Galata Gumbal have become synonymous, and no amount of words would be enough to describe it. Team CG has always believed in fun at work, and our philosophy has been work hard, play hard. But I was amazed to see how fun at work can be formalized. I clearly remember, around 13, 14 months back, team came to me asking whether we can start a fun group within CG testing to have games and quizzes on the floor. And now we have hit a milestone of formally completing 1 year. Wow, that's amazing. Over the last 1 year, the team had so many feathers in their cap. Last month we rolled out Galata Gumbal floor events in Bangalore, and it was a great hit there as well. I believe Galata Gumbal can be a very good example for the practice, rather I would say for Cognizant itself, as to how we can dovetail work and fun, still be delivering complex projects to customer on time every time. Kudos to the entire CG and fastest testing team, and wishing to see many more such milestones. Very proud to be associated with the team. Thank you.
So, good afternoon, and it's now afternoon when I speak to you today. It's really very difficult to say one thing about Galata Gumbal. For those who don't know Tamil, and it's Tamil, not Tamil, Galata Gumbal equates to a boisterous crowd. And you're wondering how that relates to business, right? Teams deliver very, very well when they come together as a family. And I have seen that a bunch of strangers can deliver, but it really doesn't bring in the kind of intensity that you get when the teams work together like family. Then there is no concept of tiredness, there is no concept of boredom. The people start trusting each other. So when Galata Gumbal was conceived about a year ago, I think it was a wonderful idea. It took a little time to settle in, and as it always happens, the teams were a little circumspect. I don't think they accepted it immediately, but the persistence of the Galata Gumbal team which put it together is just amazing. And in this 1 year, they have proved to be the catalyst, a catalyst which brought the consumer goods teams together in Chennai. It's not only Chennai, it's now Bangalore that they work out of. So I would say this team has played a wonderful role, and the people who did this, they may be junior in the hierarchy, but they've shown a lot of maturity in doing it. I would say lesser people would have actually given up in the beginning. So this has been a really, 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 really great achievement, and I would like to congratulate the team. The name of the event, Scintilla, which equates to scintillating, is apt for the 1 year anniversary. So guys, thank you very much for creating this kind of an environment in the QEA practice. You're special, and I wish you all the very, very best going forward. Keep the spirit up. Thanks.
The Galata Gumbal experience was really good. The first thing that I found across the 1 year or 12 months that we did is a lot of bonding among the team members. That's one thing, people could reach out to the other person and get things done. So, and also people are familiar with the other teams, and it's an amazing experience in our small group of people in consumer goods. Being a participant in Galata Gumbal actually made me go to my childhood days, though I'm still a child. So it was really funny, and it's fun to participate among a group of 23 to 55 age group. So it was always fun.
Galata Kumbal, what do I tell about it? I think it's the most awesome thing that has happened to CG testing, and it's not just CG testing. I think somehow this entire team, Nisha, Lavanya, Partha, and so many others, Navya, and everyone else have somehow just reached out to many hearts across QE and A. They have all the full level N2 in them, complete N2, excellent ideas. I don't know where they get these ideas. Their Friday events are awesome, and I somehow think that they are so good that I don't think they're getting the mileage they need to get. So yay, go Galata Kumbal.
To me, CG being part of CG team itself is fun, but I think Galata Kumbal is taking it to the next level, where every day they make it very jubilant by sending out even the birthday mailers, wishes for festivals, or all those floor events. All those floor events are not just games or events; they are more thought-provoking. It's in a way where it builds a lot of team spirit, brings in people together. I think I've got to meet with a lot of people, understand them better. Talents within each of these people, Galata Kumbal is the forum where you can express a lot of those stuff. To prove that more, I think most of the core team members of our Galata Kumbal have been involved in the Q&A Mesmerize event, and they've definitely made themselves proud, our team proud, and definitely way to go all of you guys. Thank you for being with us and making the workplace much more happier for us to be.
Hi everyone. CG Galata Kumbal, to me the best thing about CG Galata Kumbal is the way they've sustained the energy level throughout this 1 year. Because we know we count a lot of initiatives, but and it just fades out over a period of time. But with Galata Kumbal, it's only been an increase in the energy level, and more people joining in the fun. So, obviously the other thing is about the fun and you going back to your school days, college days, and that the energy level rubs on, and with the frequency they have the events, it usually stays for a week or so. So by the time the energy level comes down, you get another Galata Kumbal event. So keep going, and one request from my side would be with a Kumbal at STPI, it would be also good if we can actually host an event at STPI and in frequent intervals, so that more Pepsi folks can join, and you guys also get to see the Pepsi Bay frequently. Thank you.
So Galata Kumbal has really grown right from the days when it started just as a gaming initiative, you could say, to becoming more of a gamification. Ignore the gyan over here. And they've grown in terms of how they look at integrating concepts which are familiar in consumer goods. So for the past couple of episodes on Fridays, you must have seen how they've gotten the whole mix of how CG companies work and how we can understand them better through games, which is pretty impressive. All kudos to the Powerpuff Girls.
Galata Kumbal is 1 year now. Throughout this year, you guys have been creative enough in conducting many games and fun activities. Our wishes to Galata Kumbal on its continued success. Keep entertaining us as always. Keep rocking.
It's been a long journey having the part of CG team and enjoying the Galata Kumbal. Actually, it all started with a small mailer events, and now it turned up, and even events they are conducting. I had been an active participant in Galata Kumbal, and I wish that this group should continue doing this kind of work.
I was so happy to be a organizer in GT as well as a participant.
அதாவது இது எப்படி இருக்குனாக்கா, வீட்டில் தொல்லை தாங்க முடியாமல் ஆஃபீஸ் வந்தால் வீட்டில் இருக்கிறவங்க எல்லாரையும் ஆஃபீஸ் வர வச்சிருவீங்க போல. சூப்பராக பண்ணுறீங்க கலாட்டா கும்பல்ஸ், குட் ஜாப்.
One Network makes more sense in CGQ&A because of Galata Gumbal. I cannot believe it is already 1 year young. This could not be achieved without the participants of each and every individual in CG. Let's keep up the momentum. Good luck.
இந்த கலாட்டா கும்பல் ஆரம்பிச்சதுலேருந்து இந்த நல்லா விளாண்டுட்டு இருந்தோம். எப்பயுமே எல்லா ஃப்ரைடேஸும் டார்ச்சர் பண்ணி கூப்பிடுவாங்க, பட் முடியும் போது எங்களுக்கு வந்து ஜாலியாக இருக்கும். ஸோ நல்லா என்ஜாய் பண்ணோம். அதில் மெயினாக நீங்கள் பார்க்க வேண்டிய விஷயம் என்னென்னா, எல்லா பசங்களும் அமைதியாக இருப்போம், பட் எல்லா சீனியர் மேனேஜர்ஸும் டேரக்டர்ஸும் அடிச்சு சண்டை போடுவாங்க பார்த்தீங்களா, அது செம்ம பாயிண்டாக இருக்கும். அதுதான் சூப்பராக இருக்கும். முக்கியமாக அந்த சுமன் கமல் ராஜேஷ் இருக்காங்க பார்த்தீங்களா, அவங்க தான் நல்லா அடிச்சுக்குவாங்க. அப்போ அது எங்களுக்கு ஜாலியாக இருக்கும். ஸோ இது இப்படியே ஒரு இயர் போயிடுச்சு, பட் 1 year ஆன மாதிரி எங்களுக்கு தெரியல. பட் இட் வாஸ் நைஸ். ஒரு குவார்ட்டரும் பண்ணிட்டோம், அதுவும் நல்லா இருந்தது. அண்ட் இப்போது ஆனுவல் டே கூட வந்துச்சு. இட்ஸ் வெரி கிரேட் அண்ட் குட் லக் டு கலாட்டா கும்பல் டீம்.
I have been part of CG for past 2 months. And Galata Gumbal, I have attended 2 Galata Gumbal events, and as name itself suggests, Galata, we play, and there's a lot of fun in Galata Gumbal.
இப்போ கலாட்டா கும்பல் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு நல்ல டீம் சார். அந்த டீம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நம்ம இருக்கிற எல்லா டீமோட எப்போவுமே மீட்டிங்கில் அவங்க தான் ஜாஸ்தியாக இருப்பாங்க. என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க ஏது பண்ணுறாங்கன்னு தெரியாது, ஆனால் அந்த டீமால தான் சிஜியில் எப்போவுமே சந்தோஷமும் உற்சாகமும் எப்போவுமே நிறைஞ்சிருக்கும். சிஜியில் மட்டும் இல்லை சார், உலகத்தில் இருக்க எல்லா காங்கிரஸ்லையும் இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு கலாட்டா கும்பல் வரணும் தான் எங்களோட ஆசீர்வாதமும் கனவும். நன்றி, வணக்கம். சோடாங்கப்பா.
For me, Galata Gumbal not only means a lot of fun, but a chance to make a lot of new friends. I have made a lot of new friends from Galata Gumbal. I look forward to many more exciting events, and the energy which you guys spread is unbelievable. Go Galata Gumbal.
Congrats for completing 1 year. Go Galata Gumbal.
విజయవంతంగా 1 year పూర్తి చేసినందుకు గలాటా టీంకి శుభాకాంక్షలు. గో గలాటా గుంబల్.
வெற்றிகரமாக முதல் ஆண்டை கடந்த கலாட்டா கும்பலுக்கு எங்களுடைய நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
It's awesome.
It's cool. It's wonderful. It's amazing.
It's entertaining.
It's fun. It's refreshing.
It's mind blowing. It's superb.
What is it, guys?
It's Galata Gumbal.
கலாட்டா கும்பல் ஆரம்பிச்சு இது வரைக்கும் 1 year முடிச்சிருக்காங்க. இது வரைக்கும் அவங்களுடைய ஈவெண்ட் எல்லாமே நல்லா பர்ஃபெக்டாக ஃபேன்டாஸ்டிக்காக பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருக்காங்க. ஸோ அவங்களுடைய ஈவெண்ட் அவங்க கண்டக்ட் பண்ணுற எல்லா ஈவெண்ட்டும் எப்படி இருக்குன்னா, நம்மளுடைய அந்த ஒர்க் ப்ரெஷரை குறைக்கிற அளவுக்கு ஒரு ரிலாக்ஸேஷனாக ஒரு மைண்ட் ஃப்ரீயாக இருக்கிற மாதிரி தான் கண்டக்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஸோ 1 year முடிஞ்சு போச்சு, இதோட நிற்காமல் மேலும் மேலும் ஃப்யூச்சரில் கண்டக்ட் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னு கலாட்டா கும்பலையும் சரி அந்த ஆண்டவனையும் வேண்டி விரும்பி கேட்டுக்கிறேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.